Welcome back, and we're doing a cancer transformation. All right, look at this beautiful hair. This actually was donated, child. That girl had some long Indian, Kachindian, Ethiopian hair, and she donated it about it was a while back, and we're just showing you we were able to create a unit with that hair, and we also had integrated some other wefts to go in with it because to make these units, it requires a lot of hair. And right now we did the ball cap method. So with the ball cap method, this just helps to make the scalp look a little bit more natural. We're just giving her a quick install. Child, we just want to, trying to help her out, give her a quick little install so she can look cute when she walks out with her new unitive. And these are just some of the hair more closer up. So it's very natural hair texture. And this was a custom. The weed doctor had to ship it off to one of our suppliers who does our needling for us. And girl, that is a very wonderful and beautiful unit that was created by someone just by them donating their hair, being kind and wanted to donate for those who suffer from cancer or for individuals who have hair loss. All right, so we had to tie them edges down, honey. We just to make sure everything is straight, and we're slowly but surely getting to finishing up her transformation. We're almost done. You're gonna hear a little bit from her. She was just so pleased and happy. And look at that hair, because this is real hair now. This came from someone with African and Native American Creole descent, and she donated that hair, baby. Okay, all right.
Okay, now I'm crying. I'm so sensitive. Just want to say thank you for donating the hair. I'm a two-time about to cry cancer survivor, and I really do appreciate it. And I'm sorry, you just don't know what it means. I'm sorry, you just don't know what it means to have the opportunity to feel whole again, because our hair is us, and to know that you can go through this process and still feel like a lady, still feel like a woman with your hair, and to know people out here care enough to donate for people like myself so we can still feel fabulous. So thank you. I'm just sorry.
She is so sweet. And these are the final results, honey. Okay, come on down to the Weave Doctor. And if you happen to be suffering from cancer and would like to receive a free unit, contact the DMV Weave Doctor. And if you are you want to donate some of your hair. Look, see how happy you made this individual. This is her second time dealing with cancer. And she has been, child, she was just telling me how her strength was so weak she could barely walk to the other side of her room. Child, we just give all praise to God. We're thankful that she's still here